In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to toggle the format panel in drawio. The format panel is the set of controls on the right side of the editor that lets you change styling, text, size, position, and arrangement of your shapes. Toggling it on or off is useful when you want more canvas space or when you need quick access to styling options without hunting through the interface. Start by opening your diagram in drawio in editing mode. If your diagram is embedded in a documentation tool like a wiki, open the page and switch the diagram into edit mode so the editor is active. You should see your canvas in the center with your shapes and connectors ready to select and modify. When the format panel is visible, it typically appears as a vertical column on the right. It updates based on what you select. Shapes, text, images, or connectors each bring up relevant options. If you don't see it, that just means it's hidden. Perfect for when you want to focus on layout and need that extra space. To toggle the format panel, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P on your keyboard. On a Mac, use Command plus Shift plus P. Press the shortcut once to show the panel. Press it again to hide it. You'll notice the canvas instantly resizes to fill the space as the panel appears or disappears, so you can move between a clean, distraction-free view and a full set of formatting controls with a single keystroke. If nothing happens when you press the shortcut, make sure the draw.io editor is in focus. Click once on an empty area of the canvas or select a shape and try again. The shortcut won't work if your cursor is inside a text field or if another application has focus. Also confirm you're in editing mode, not just viewing a diagram. Use this toggle strategically as you work. Hide the panel when you're arranging large sections of your diagram, aligning elements, or zoomed in on complex areas. Show it when you need to adjust fonts, colors, line styles, or spacing. Over time, this quick switch can save you a surprising amount of time and reduce visual clutter while you build. That's all there is to it. Open your diagram in edit mode and use Ctrl plus Shift plus P or Command plus Shift plus P on Mac to show or hide the format panel instantly. Practice the shortcut a few times so it becomes second nature and enjoy a faster, cleaner diagramming workflow.